have no weapons,
just relax.
sir.
Just relax.
Hey,
Just calm down, bro. Just calm down.
Hold on.
It's good.
August 31st, 2025, just after 1 in the morning. Los Angeles Police Department Southwest officers were conducting extra patrols near the 2800 block of West Jefferson Boulevard. The area had seen recent loitering issues, but the situation shifted when Malik Salaah spotted the patrol unit and abruptly ducked back into this liquor store. This classic avoidance behavior gave officers reasonable suspicion to move in and make contact. Because of the pre-activation buffer, this initial contact is silent, but the tension is loud. Officers approach Malik Salaah, and even from this chest-level angle, the red flags are immediate. Notice the heavy printing in Salaah's waistband, the unmistakable shape of a concealed firearm. His stiff, guarded posture suggests he's already committed to a confrontation. The officers are now in a race against time to de-escalate before the first shot is fired.
I have no weapons,
Just relax.
sir.
Just relax.
Hey,
Just calm down, bro. Just calm down.
Hold on.
It's good. Get out, get out. Get back. 3 shots fired off scene, so Jefferson and 9th Ave.
Trapped in a confined space with no cover, the officers make a split-second decision to execute a tactical withdrawal. By moving to the exterior and utilizing their patrol vehicle as hard cover, they create the distance necessary to manage the threat without being pinned down inside the store's dead zone. The silent security footage reveals a detail the body cams missed: the officers' intense, weapon-centric focus. Notice how they never make eye contact with Salaah's face. Instead, their eyes are locked onto his waistband. They've already identified the printing of a firearm through his clothing. Even without audio, it's clear the officers are reading the threat in real time, anticipating the draw before it even happens.
Come out!
Get back. Suspect's gonna be a male, black over black, red. He's gonna be in the east, man. Oh, Jefferson from 9th Ave.
Salaah remains extremely aggressive, using suppressive fire to keep the officers pinned down. He's not looking to win the fight, he's trying to overwhelm them just long enough to create an opening for his escape.
Hey, you! Hey! Sir! Hey, I got one right here at the red vehicle. Hey, he's behind the red car.
Hey, we see you!
Hey, I see you! Put your hands up! Yeah.
Unit who put out a suspect in the east-west alley, come on. 3-1, it was...
Hands up! I'm getting stepped over. Turn away! Hands on top of your head! Hands on top of your head! Stop! Turn around! Alright. Turn around! Here.
He's not being sustained. They weren't able to make contact.
What do you want, 7th?
7th, south of 30.
2871. I have a possible suspect in custody. 7th. South of 30th. Any units on 8th Avenue, can you come to my location?
Spread your feet.
Better location. 7th Avenue.
Let's get an RA real quick.
Can I get an RA for a male, approximately 30 years of age, conscious and breathing, suffering from a GSW to the left arm? Yeah.
Where are you at with that suspect?
7th Ave.
7th Avenue.
7th Avenue. Fuck.
With the threat neutralized, the officers immediately shift from combat to life-saving. Despite the violent shootout, they prioritize a tourniquet on Salah's arm to control the bleeding. This professional transition is vital once the suspect is in cuffs. The mission becomes preserving his life for due process. At the scene, investigators recovered the suspect's weapon, a 9mm Smith & Wesson semi-automatic stashed underneath a parked car. The slide was found locked to the rear, a chilling detail confirming that Malik Salaah didn't stop pulling the trigger until his high-capacity magazine was bone dry. The sheer volume of gunfire left multiple civilian vehicles, and the officer's patrol car riddled with impacts. It's truly a miracle that in a densely populated area, no bystanders or officers were struck. 33-year-old Malik Salaah, a resident of Los Angeles, now faces 2 counts of attempted murder and 1 count of being a felon in possession of a firearm. As the Los Angeles Police Department continues its year-long investigation into the tactics used during this encounter, one thing is certain: the line between a routine patrol and a life-ending shootout is thinner than most people realize. If you find these tactical breakdowns valuable, consider joining our community for more in-depth insights into the reality of law enforcement. Stay safe out there.